Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert health and longevity, and today we're going to talk about a topic I have brought up multiple times in the past, and that is, are humans really omnivores, meaning we kind of eat a little bit of everything? The past couple years have led to a group of people suggesting that our early ancestors were ketogenic and carnivore and all they ate was meat. I just envision a starving hunter, because remember, hunter-gatherers, apparently they were just hunters, starving hunter looking for some type of big game or likely like small mammal or fish or insects, but they're starving and they walk past a honeycomb, a beehive, or a ripe fruit tree and they're like, no, can't eat that stuff because I'm a carnivore. It just makes zero sense to me. So before I get into this particular study, make sure you like this video, share it with somebody you think needs the information, and subscribe to the channel. That being said, there's been lots of looking back at humans and what we ate in comparison today about the pH of the stomach versus the pH of other carnivores versus herbivores, when nobody's ever claiming that we're herbivores. We are definitely omnivores. But there's lots of ways to look, but looking back at the historical records is one of the ways. And this was another group looking at 15 to 13,000 years before the agricultural age. So not 13 to 15, 15 to 13. I had to think about that for a minute because we had, we're going back in time. So this was in northern Africa, specifically Moroccan ruins, and they looked at the bones and the teeth of the samples that they could find, and they found that they were surprisingly plant-based. And that just really kind of makes sense because the plants are readily available. Now, we can argue that, unripe fruits, and granted, our vegetables that we know today may not be this, or probably aren't a lot of the same vegetables that they had available. As an example, today we have cruciferous vegetables. Back then we had a cruciferous vegetable, and we've kind of selectively bred broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and that out of it. But regardless, you look at fruits, you look at things like honey, which was readily available if you didn't mind a couple stings, but those kind of things made sense. And even today, there's very few hunter-gatherer populations left, but they eat pretty much everything they can, constantly scouring for different food sources and not specific to any particular one. So that would make sense that the dental and bone records of these northern Africans would indicate that it was a broad spectrum, in this case, probably more plant-based than it was animal-based. So, as always, I will post a link to this particular study in the description. Make sure you like this video, share it with somebody you think needs the information, and subscribe to the channel.